I had a situation over the weekend, and I begin to the situation more and more regarding apostilles. Look, here's the situation. 3 sisters from Indonesia currently living in Los Angeles. Their parents are in Indonesia. Their parent just passed away, and they gifted their 3 kids 3 different properties, okay? So before Indonesia government is going to release those properties to the children, they need a power of attorney form done up and also have it notarized and apostilled. So they called me and said what their situation was and asked me if I could help them do it. If you're in the situation, this is how you're going to save money doing this. In California, the notarizations are $15 per signature. That's non-negotiable. A notary can charge you more if they travel directly to you. So the apostille is going to be a little bit different. Let me explain. So they had 3 properties, okay? 3 different sisters. The way the lawyer wrote that up for them in Indonesia is they had a separate power of attorney form for each one of those sisters for each of the 3 properties. Stay with me here. So that means there's a total of 9 different documents that needed to be notarized and also apostilled. I talked to them and said, why don't you just put everyone sign the same document for each property? So that way there's 3 signatures on each of those power of attorney forms. They said, well, because this is the way they did it, and we live kind of far away from each other, so we thought it'd be easier just to do it separate. Well, here's the deal. You're going to save a ton of money if you can just have 3 documents instead of 9. Have each sister sign each of those documents at the same time and have them notarized, and then take each of those properties' power of attorney form to the Secretary of State and get the apostille done. You say, why? Why do that? Well, because each of those documents that's signed and notarized needs to be apostilled separately. So if there's 3 signatures on one acknowledgement on one document, that's 1 apostille fee. If they do a separate one, signed separately for each of those properties, that's 3 different apostilles for each property. I don't know if this makes sense or not, but if there's a way that you can combine those signatures onto one document for each property, you're paying 3 apostille fees instead of 9 of them. I don't know if that makes sense or not. I try to explain the best I can. So if there's any way to do this, do it. My name is Rufus. I'm the notary dude here in Los Angeles, California. I process a lot of apostilles, especially for California. If you have any questions about an apostille, if it's a tricky situation and you're wondering what the best way might be able to do it, call me, I can help. My name is Rufus. I'm at 626-620-3667.